Want to know why that tantalizing TikTok Shop button disappears when you're browsing in Canada? Let's get straight to the point. As of today, TikTok Shop is not fully available in Canada. You won't find that dedicated shop tab that users in the US or UK enjoy. Those direct product links you see in videos, they often just redirect you to external websites, if anything at all. See the difference? TikTok is strategically rolling out TikTok Shop market by market. The US and parts of Asia have full access, while Canada is still on the waiting list. So, why the delay? Several factors are at play. It could be about adapting to Canadian regulations, logistical challenges related to shipping and fulfillment, or simply a phased rollout strategy by TikTok. There have been whispers and rumors about a Canadian launch for quite some time, but TikTok hasn't announced any concrete dates yet. The good news is, TikTok is constantly testing and evolving its platform. It's very likely that TikTok Shop will eventually make its way to Canada. Stay tuned. We'll keep you updated on any official announcements regarding TikTok Shop's Canadian launch. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates.